situation worse. Stay tuned for more information and updates on this developing situation.
Hello everyone, this is breaking news. The blood moon virus, zombie attacks, and the formation of blood rain have been reported throughout the entire half of the United States. Oh, hold on. We're getting a National Information Center message, so please stand by.
National Information Center. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The blood moon virus, zombies attacks, and formation of blood rain have been reported throughout half of the United States. Blood rain has formed over cities such as New York City, Charleston, Raleigh, Atlanta, Mobile, Birmingham, Miami, and Philadelphia, causing massive loss of life. In addition, the zombies now have the ability to grow in size and cause massive damage throughout the area. The blood moon's moonlight has appeared to have shined over the entire planet of Earth, and it's turning the skies red. The zombies are attacking the human race. Many zombies are seen rising from the dead in numerous cemeteries across the half portion of the United States. This is a life-threatening situation. All residents listening to this message are strongly advised to seek an underground now. Grab necessary supplies such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, flashlight, a battery-powered radio operated by batteries, and first aid kit. Use any armed weapon to defend yourself from these zombies. Do not leave.
Did you hear the news?
Yeah? What about it?
The blood moon virus, zombie attacks, and the formation of blood rain have been reported throughout the entire United States. And we need to seek a place of safety now.
Oh my god! The blood moon virus! Zombie attacks! And formation of blood rain! Oh no! This is bad! We need to seek a shelter now!
Yeah, that's all I'm saying. We should seek shelter now before the zombies kill us!
Chill values as low as 10 above in the morning. The hazardous weather outlook through tonight for North Texas. This afternoon and tonight. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. And now the hazardous weather outlook for Saturday through Thursday. Isolated thunderstorms are possible across central Texas on Monday, but severe weather is not expected. There is a
Oh, what could this be? Another alert? From WBAP, this is an important message. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. No, 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 no! Ladies and gentlemen, we interrupt the programming. This is a national emergency. I know it's never gone. I know it's what happened. message is being given out with the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Agency. Effective until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our world is slowly coming to an end as we know it. There have been many reports of green moon and formation of blood rain, the blood moon virus mixed together with the green moon virus. Have been zombie attacks reported throughout our half of the United States. And there's no way to stop it. I regret to say this, but there's nothing we can do to stop this from escalating. This station will sign off after I get this message. People remain caught by the blood moon virus, zombie attacks, inflammation of blood rain, and are ended up covered in blood and turned into zombies.
So we were hoping this weekend that was going to be able to drop the but I don't know if
The station will sign off for the final time. But before we sign off, I'm going to read a quote, and I'm going to read Romans 6:23. For the wages of sin is death, but the free gift of God is eternal life. Christ Jesus our Lord. This concludes the final activation of the emergency alert system. We will sign this station off with one last playing of the national anthem. Goodbye. It has been a pleasant time living on this planet for 4 billion years. Now, the end is coming.